What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Jacobra vlog. We are currently getting the fifth wheel ready to head out. We got 2 photo shoots this weekend, one on a helicopter we're bringing to market, one on our Falcon 2000 LX. We're going to be heading out to Navasota and then doing a photo shoot over at a vineyard over there. And then we are headed to Center to take care of some business over there and also get some media on that airplane. So come along for the ride, and we should be heading out pretty shortly. This is the site for the shoot. Beautiful property in somewhere in Texas. Don't remember exactly what city. Landon's getting his stuff set up over there. Backdrop, and helicopter should be here shortly.
Yeah. Better now. How's that?
All right, JJ, I got you. So here's the plan. Come in kind of on like a final heading of like 210, and when you come down in past those trees, see where I'm pointing now at that side of the water? So basically just come back, make like a right pattern, and what heading you're on now, that's basically gonna be the heading you are when you touch down. And when you come in, just kind of nicely parallel the water, and then you're gonna park on my mark with the nose slightly angled, maybe 30 degrees away left of the water.
Okay, I got most of that. Let's make this a tip number 2. Or excuse me, a tip number 1. If it sucks, we'll go back around and do it again. But I think I got the gist of your instructions. So here we go. Here's the first tip. Come back in, right down what you were talking about.
All right, copy. We'll see in a bit. All right, here we go. That was sick. Awesome touchdown by JJ. That's what we like to see.
You find yourself not wanting to travel any other way.
Amen. Just put this thing down in Conroe, gonna get some gas, go back to the ranch for the sunset shoot, and much needed water inside because it's hot. Holla. Come holla!
Come holla!
I'm gonna head back out with the world's most badass helicopter pilot slash jiu-jitsu master. Like 8 minutes back over to the ranch, sunset shots, and then back to maintenance, and then back on the road. Back at the ranch, beautiful landing by JJ.
About to get in the FORD.
About to get in the built Ford Tough.
Yeah.
And then
And a steel body.
drop it back off, back in the fifth wheel, and then over to Buna. back in maintenance. Thank you, JJ, for getting us here safely. That was awesome. All right, we made it to the RV park in center for the night. It is past midnight. We're all exhausted. We need to get this thing set up, get some sleep, be at the airport for our meeting at 7 a.m. So, we'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. in beautiful Center, Texas. Amazing sunrise behind me. We have a morning photo shoot on our Falcon 2000 LX coming up in just a few minutes. We're going to meet with some of our people over at the hangar, be on our way to Buna later this afternoon. Good morning. A little bit before 7 a.m. currently out for a walk in Buna, Texas, which I actually like. I think it's a cute town. I think it's pretty. I mean, look at this. Trees, sunrise. I enjoy when I have the opportunity to come to Buna, but some people disagree. Bugs. So many bugs. Jesus, these bugs are crazy, bro. Never seen this before. This is nuts. This is nuts. The main things that I wanted to get done yesterday were the photo shoot for the Falcon, headshots for Brandon and Cash and myself. And I wanted to make sure that we had our team, the hangar manager at that airport, and the director of maintenance for the airplane all kind of get together and just make sure we're on the same page about how this operation is going to run. Whether it's the management, the record keeping, and the actual operation of the private fuel farm, or the ground movement of the airplanes, towing them in and out of the hangar. The director of maintenance, who oversees all of the compliance and the record keeping and the execution of maintenance on the airplane. So making sure all these different people are communicating and on the same page so that we can meet those goals and have a really robust, really efficient, really safe, and really organized flight department so that it's a blessing for all the people involved, either the people that it serves or the people that are employed by it. That's the goal, is we all want to make sure that we have a great working relationship, that there's trust, that there's communication, that there's honesty, and that we're all on the same page about our goals and how we're going to get there. So I think yesterday definitely accomplished that. And now I'm just looking forward to getting a little bit of exercise in, having a shower, maybe a little cold plunge, and then a long drive back home. We'll see what happens for the next one. So if you've watched this far, thanks so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Jacober Aviation. Follow along with us as we keep growing as a company and get to know more about what we do and how we do it. Oh! Look, no expression on my face. None whatsoever. None whatsoever.
Oh, a little bit.
Why are you shaking?
All right, guys, I'm back in the office. It's time to get back to work. Time to hammer on these spreadsheets. If you're new here, my name is Grant. I'm the Director of Operations for Jacober Aviation. We're a Texas-based aircraft sales and acquisition firm. We also do Part 91 aircraft management and Part 135 charter brokerage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't connected with us, please do so. Follow us on all our socials, follow us on LinkedIn, and please don't hesitate to reach out. Check out our new website, and if there's anything we can do to help you with any of your private aviation needs, we're the go-to. All right, we'll see you for the next one.